Section 1. The choice: Trenbolone or testosterone. You stand at a crossroads in your bodybuilding journey. The pursuit of size and strength leads you to a crucial decision. Trenbolone or testosterone. Both are powerful hormones capable of transforming your physique. But which one is right for you? This is a question that has echoed through gyms for decades. It's a question that requires careful consideration, weighing the potential benefits against the inherent risks. This essay will delve into the depths of these two compounds. We will explore their properties, their effects, and their suitability for different individuals. The goal is to provide you with the knowledge you need to make an informed choice. This is about more than just building muscle. It's about safeguarding your health. Remember, your body is your temple. You must treat it with respect. Before we proceed, understand this. This essay does not endorse the use of anabolic steroids. The information presented here is for educational purposes only. Always consult with a qualified medical professional before making any decisions regarding your health and fitness regimen. Section 2. Trenbolone. A closer look. Trenbolone is a powerful anabolic steroid. It's derived from nandrolone, but it's far more potent. It binds to androgen receptors in the body with a high affinity. This binding triggers significant changes in protein synthesis and nitrogen retention. What does this mean for you? Increased muscle mass, enhanced strength, and improved recovery. Trenbolone also has the ability to increase red blood cell production. This leads to enhanced oxygen carrying capacity. More oxygen in the blood means improved endurance and workout capacity. You'll be able to push harder for longer, breaking through plateaus. However, Trenbolone's potency is a double-edged sword. While it can deliver impressive results, it also comes with a higher risk of side effects. These can range from acne and hair loss to more serious issues like cardiovascular strain and liver toxicity. Understanding the nuances of Trenbolone is crucial. It's not a substance to be taken lightly. It demands respect and cautious use. In the wrong hands, it can be detrimental to your health. Always prioritize your well-being over rapid gains. Section 3. Testosterone, the foundation of muscle growth. Testosterone is the cornerstone of male development. It's the hormone that fuels muscle growth, strength, and libido. In the context of bodybuilding, testosterone is often used to enhance these natural processes. It's the base upon which many physique transformations are built. When you inject testosterone, you're essentially supplementing your body's natural production. This can lead to significant increases in muscle mass and strength. Testosterone also plays a vital role in recovery. It helps repair muscle tissue after intense workouts, allowing you to train harder and more frequently. Unlike some other steroids, testosterone is a naturally occurring hormone. This means your body is already equipped to handle it. However, injecting supraphysiological doses can still lead to side effects. These can include acne, water retention, and gynecomastia, male breast tissue development. It's important to note that testosterone is a controlled substance in many countries. This means you'll need a prescription from a doctor to obtain it legally. Always prioritize your health and consult with a medical professional before considering testosterone therapy. Section 4. Benefits of Trenbolone. Power and transformation. Trenbolone is renowned for its ability to deliver dramatic results. It's not uncommon for users to experience significant gains in muscle mass and strength in a short period. This rapid transformation is one of the reasons why Trenbolone is so appealing to some bodybuilders. Another benefit of Trenbolone is its ability to enhance nutrient partitioning. This means that the food you eat is more likely to be shuttled towards muscle growth rather than fat storage. This can result in a leaner, more ripped physique. Trenbolone also has the unique ability to increase feed efficiency. This means that you'll be able to build more muscle with the same amount of food. This can be a significant advantage for those looking to maximize their gains. However, it's crucial to remember that these benefits come at a cost. Trenbolone's potent effects are often accompanied by a higher risk of side effects. It's essential to approach this compound with caution and to prioritize your health above all else. Section 5. Benefits of testosterone. Strength and vitality. Testosterone is the foundation of male vitality. It's the hormone that drives muscle growth, strength, and libido. Supplementing with testosterone can enhance these natural processes. It can help you build a more muscular, powerful physique. One of the key benefits of testosterone is its ability to improve muscle protein synthesis. This means that your body will be able to build muscle tissue at an accelerated rate. This can lead to significant gains in size and strength. Testosterone also plays a crucial role in recovery. It helps repair damaged muscle tissue after intense workouts, allowing you to train harder and more frequently. This can lead to faster progress and better overall results. Furthermore, testosterone can boost your mood and energy levels, making you feel more confident and motivated. This can have a positive impact on your training and your life outside the gym. Section 6. Risks of Trenbolone. Tread with caution. Trenbolone is a powerful hormone. While it can deliver impressive results, it also comes with a higher risk of side effects. It's crucial to understand these risks before you even consider using this compound. Your health is paramount. One of the most common side effects of Trenbolone is androgenic. These can include acne, hair loss, and oily skin. These side effects are often dose-dependent, meaning they become more severe with higher doses. Trenbolone can also negatively impact your cardiovascular health. It can increase bad cholesterol levels and decrease good cholesterol levels. This can lead to an increased risk of heart disease. Furthermore, Trenbolone can suppress your body's natural testosterone production. This can lead to a host of other issues. Always consult with a medical professional before considering Trenbolone. Section 7. Risks of Testosterone. Understanding the downsides. While testosterone is a naturally occurring hormone, injecting supraphysiological doses can still lead to side effects. It's important to be aware of these potential downsides before making any decisions about your health. One of the most common side effects of testosterone is water retention. This can lead to a bloated appearance, especially in the face and midsection. While not necessarily dangerous, it can be aesthetically unpleasing for some individuals. Testosterone can also lead to the development of gynecomastia, a condition where men develop breast tissue. This is due to the conversion of testosterone to estrogen in the body. Furthermore, testosterone can suppress your body's natural testosterone production. This can lead to a dependence on exogenous testosterone. It's crucial to use testosterone responsibly and under the guidance of a medical professional. Section 8. Who should consider Trenbolone? Trenbolone is not for everyone. It's a powerful steroid with a higher risk of side effects. It's generally not recommended for beginners or those new to anabolic steroids. Individuals with pre-existing health conditions, especially relating to the heart, liver, or kidneys, should avoid Trenbolone altogether. The potential risks far outweigh any potential benefits. Trenbolone should only be considered by experienced users who have a thorough understanding of its effects and risks. These individuals should also have access to regular blood work and medical supervision to monitor their health. Even then, the decision to use Trenbolone should not be taken lightly. It's essential to weigh the potential benefits against the potential risks. Remember, your health is your most valuable asset. Section 9. Who should consider testosterone? Testosterone replacement therapy, TRT, is a medical treatment for men with clinically low testosterone levels. It's not intended for bodybuilding purposes. If you suspect you may have low testosterone, consult with a medical professional for proper diagnosis and treatment. Individuals considering testosterone for bodybuilding purposes should be aware of the potential risks and side effects. Testosterone should only be used under the guidance of a qualified medical professional. Beginners or those new to anabolic steroids should generally avoid testosterone. It's important to gain experience with less potent compounds before considering testosterone. Remember, testosterone is a powerful hormone. It's essential to use it responsibly and to prioritize your long-term health. Section 10. Making the right choice. A balanced perspective. The decision to use anabolic steroids is a personal one. It's not a decision to be taken lightly. Both Trenbolone and testosterone come with their own set of benefits and risks. Trenbolone offers the potential for rapid muscle growth and transformation, but it also carries a higher risk of side effects. These can range from acne and hair loss to cardiovascular strain and liver toxicity. Testosterone, while generally considered safer than Trenbolone, can still lead to side effects. These can include water retention, gynecomastia, and suppression of natural testosterone production. Ultimately, the best choice for you depends on your individual goals, risk tolerance, and overall health status. There's no one-size-fits-all answer. Section 11. Your health, your decisions. Seek expert guidance. The information presented in this essay is for educational purposes only. It's not intended as medical advice. Never use this information to self-diagnose or self-treat any health condition. Always consult with a qualified medical professional before making any decisions regarding your health and fitness regimen. This is especially important if you're considering using anabolic steroids. A medical professional can assess your individual health status. They can determine if you're a suitable candidate for hormone therapy. They can also monitor your health for any potential side effects. Remember, your health is your most valuable asset. Don't gamble with it. Seek expert guidance and make informed decisions that prioritize your well-being.